So if you're using ClickUp, you can easily go ahead and customize your workspace or your ClickUp account with your own branding. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find this and enable custom branding, and of course, what you get with this. So if you have a ClickUp account and you want to customize it, give it the look and feel of your own brand, even of your own URL, then in order to do that, just click your account on the upper right hand side and you want to jump right into your settings. Now, on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on settings and scroll down a bit. Here you can find the custom branding, but in order to have this, you need to have an enterprise account. And so that's the first requirement. But once you do have this account, you can go ahead and enable the custom branding here, which allows you to add a few logos that you can add. So you have your rectangular logos, your round logos, and of course you can add your social media graphics there as well. You can set your own company or brand colors if you need to, and you can set your own custom URL. So that could be whatever your business is that ClickUp, right? So you can have it just like that. And so that's what you really get with it. And yeah, it goes a long way, guys, to really customize your own ClickUp account so that it gives the look and feel of your business. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.